A smart lock is more than a convenience. It's the guardian of your front door. It's a serious piece of security hardware, and buying the wrong one is a costly mistake. So before you click Buy Now, let's talk. I'm going to cover the 5 things you absolutely must know before buying a smart lock. And stick around, because the 5th tip is the one that will save you the most frustration in the long run. First, and most importantly, the ANSI grade. This is a rating for the physical strength of the lock itself. A Grade 3 lock is standard residential quality. A Grade 2 is better. A Grade 1 is commercial grade, the toughest you can get. For your home's main entry, you should only be looking at locks with an ANS, Grade 1 or Grade 2 rating. Don't compromise on physical security. Second, understand the different types. There are 2 main kinds. A retrofit lock, like the August Wi-Fi, installs on the inside of your door, over your existing deadbolt. It's great for renters because you can keep your original keys. A full replacement lock, like one from Schlage or Yale, replaces your entire deadbolt, inside and out. It's a more permanent solution. Know which type fits your needs. Third, power. What happens when the battery dies? Every smart lock has a backup. Some have a hidden keyhole. Others, like the level lock, have a clever trick where you can touch a 9-volt battery to a hidden terminal to temporarily power it up. Understand the backup power method before you buy, so you never get locked out. Fourth, connectivity. How does it talk to your other devices? Some locks use Wi-Fi, others use Bluetooth, Z-Wave, or Thread. If you want to control your lock when you're away from home, you need one that connects to your Wi-Fi, either directly or through a small bridge or hub. And finally, the 5th tip I promised you, ecosystem compatibility. This is the key to a truly smart lock. Does it work with Amazon Alexa, Google Nest, or Apple HomeKit? A lock that works with your smart speaker means you can lock the door with your voice or include it in your goodnight routine. It is the feature that transforms it from a gadget into a seamless part of your home. So, check the ANSI grade, know the type, understand the backup power, verify the connectivity, and confirm the ecosystem compatibility. Do these 5 things and you will buy the right smart lock for you. I've linked my top picks for each category in the description. For more guides from the Logic Lair, make sure you subscribe.